Thursday, friends, it's Miss Sullivan with this week's at-home reading lesson. This week we're going to be reading the Scholastic News magazine Shark Attack. Before we get started, there's a few things I would like you to grab. The first thing is the reading checkpoint sheet. You can get this on the Harris School website. If you can't download this right now because you're watching the video, that's okay. I want you to grab a plain sheet of paper so that you can write down your answers. The next thing I would like you to do is get something to write with. So a pen or a pencil would be awesome to have to write with so that we can do our best handwriting. I'd also like you to grab a copy of the article Shark Attack. If you can't get this right now, that's okay because you can follow along with me. So pause the video and go and get what you need. All right, welcome back, friends. We're ready to get started with today's lesson. Our objective is to identify the main idea. So you might be wondering, Miss Sullivan, what does the word main idea mean? So main idea is going to be what the text is mostly about. So I'm going to show you a secret hand motion readers use to remember what the words main idea mean. Okay? So watch me and then you're going to do it with me. Main idea, what the text is mostly about. Ready? Main idea, what the text is mostly about. Now, readers follow some steps to identify the main idea. The first step is to read the title. Next, they read the words. Then they look at the pictures. Then they ask themselves, what is the article mostly about? Then they're ready to identify the main idea. Before we do these steps, I'm going to go over some of the tricky vocabulary words that are found in our article. The first word is predators. Can you say that word? And those are animals that hunt for other animals for food. So we have a label in our picture pointing to the predator. It's an owl. Owls are predators that hunt small animals like mice. Our next word is prey. Can you say that word? And it's an animal that is hunted by another animal for food. Mice are prey for owls. So they labeled the prey, the mouse. Our next word is cartilage. Can you say that word? And that's the material that makes up a shark's skeleton. So we look at the shark, the cream yellowish part of the shark is the cartilage. And cartilage can bend very easily. Our last word is flexible. Can you say that word? And it's something that can bend. This child is very flexible. She can bend all the way back. She reminds me of seeing some of you guys at recess doing your gymnastics. So now we're ready to read our article and identify the main idea. So remember, our first step is to read the title, then we read the words. So the title is Shark Attack. This shark is hungry. It is on the hunt for its next meal. On the hunt, a great white shark is looking for a sea lion. Sharks are predators. That means they hunt and eat other animals. Sea lions are prey. That means other animals hunt and eat them. Sharks are fast swimmers, but sea lions can sometimes be faster. Will the shark catch a sea lion for its next meal? The shark's body makes it a great hunter. The shark has super senses. There is a sea lion near the top of the water. The shark can tell it's there. How? Sharks have a super sense of smell. They also have a super sense of hearing. The shark can smell and hear prey from far away. The shark has a flexible skeleton. The sea lion swims quickly through the water. The shark swims after it. The shark twists and turns its body as it tries to keep up with its prey. The shark's skeleton is not made out of bone. It is made out of cartilage. Bone is hard, but cartilage is flexible. It can bend back and forth. This helps the shark move its body quickly while it swims. That helps the shark keep up with the sea lion. The shark has sharp teeth. The shark is getting closer and closer to the sea lion. It opens its big mouth. The shark has rows of sharp teeth. These teeth help a shark grab and hold onto its prey. But the sea lion sees the shark. It darts out of the way just in time. It is soon far away. Better luck next time, shark. All right, let's see what our next step is for identifying the main idea. We read the title, Shark Attack. We've just read the words. Now we're going to look at the pictures. So in this picture, we see our shark. This is a picture of a great white shark. This is a picture of the sea lion. Here we have a close-up of the shark's teeth. And last we have a picture of the inside of the shark showing its cartilage. All right, friends, let's see what our next step is. So we read the title, we read the words, we looked at the pictures. Now we ask, what is the article mostly about? I want you to pause the video and turn and talk with someone at home to think about what is the article mostly about. Pause the video. All right, friends. So the article, I noticed that we saw sharks in most of our pictures. So I know the article is mostly about sharks, but what about sharks? How they use their bodies to catch food. So that's the main idea of our article, how sharks use their bodies to catch food. So we look at our reading checkpoint sheet. The first question asks us, what is the article mostly about? That question is asking us to identify the main idea. And we said the main idea is how sharks use their bodies to catch food. So for number 1, we're going to write sharks use their bodies to catch food. And we're writing a complete sentence. So we start with a capital letter. And I'm going to show you mine in 1 minute. If you want, you can try your best with your spelling by sounding out their words. Now, if you're using a plain sheet of paper, what you can do is write a number 1 and then write your words next to it. So I wrote, sharks use their bodies to catch food. If you need help with spelling, you can pause the video and write your sentence. All right, friends, we just identified the main idea of our article. Great job. What I want you to do is do questions 2, 3, and 4 with someone at home. When you get this page all done, I want someone at home to take a picture of it and send it to your teacher so that they can share it with me to see all of your awesome work. I had so much fun learning about how sharks use their body to catch food with you. I hope you guys have a great day, and I can't wait to see you next week for another reading lesson. Bye, friends.